Court calls the case. People versus Ament. Is it Hendrick? Enrenwright. I never got that wrong.
Deputy Chief, Warren Brown.
Whoa.
I did nothing.
Whoa.
I did nothing.
Right here. Say right here.
I did nothing. What did I do?
Say right here.
I left 2 notes. One for the
Face me. Face me. And don't ever do that again.
I left a piece of paper.
Ever do that again.
It's a piece of paper.
If you come out, you walk to that podium. Am I understood? Am I understood?
Yes, one.
Go ahead, counsel.
Warren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, being written on behalf of Mr. Amit Ehrenreich. Please state your name for the record.
To ensure justice is made, I will make 5 brief statements and then state my name.
No,
Dana
you
from
will
the
state
forensic
your
center
name. You
had
will
first
state your
lectured
name.
of July 20.
Take him back.
Yet,
Take him back.
7 months
Because take him back. He'll follow the rules or not. Have a good day. We may call you back. We may not. Okay.
Hold on tight, everyone. This courtroom drama escalates fast. The moment the case is announced, the defendant explodes in fury, shouting over the judge and claiming he's completely innocent. His voice echoes through the courtroom, shaking the room before the judge can even finish speaking. As the judge attempts to restore order, the situation only gets worse. The man's rage intensifies, ignoring every warning and continuing to argue uncontrollably. Tensions skyrocket in a matter of moments. Security has no choice. They rush in and forcibly remove him as gasps ripple through the room. You could feel the pressure rise with every second. Trust me, this courtroom meltdown is unlike anything you've seen before.
So, Your Honor, for the record.
For the record, what?
Mr. Ehrenreich remains incompetent, but I guess that.
Yeah, I know. And I think he technically has to be here. I don't know that he's forfeited the right. Ms. Hughes, are you okay? No, why embarrassed? What are you embarrassed about?
Sorry, I'm totally fine. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm really sorry.
Okay, no, go ahead. She shouldn't be embarrassed by it. Okay, so we all have to be real. Had that been Blanche, he would have been punched. So I'm just saying. Guy would have been tagged out, he'd be down.
Are we going to just pass this and then come back later?
The court calls the case. Your name?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your name.
Tariq Samar Tariq Ade.
Okay.
Right after the courtroom chaos settles, at least on the surface, the judge turns to the visibly shaken public defender. She's doing her best to stay composed, but the impact of that intense outburst is written all over her face. Her hands tremble slightly as she tries to regroup, clearly still processing the shock of the moment. The judge, attempting to lighten the mood, cracks a quick joke about how much worse things could have gone if it had been a different defendant, one with an even shorter fuse. The remark earns a few uneasy chuckles, but the tension still hangs thick in the AIR, and no one says much. People glance around, unsure if things are truly under control. The energy in the room remains stiff, like everyone's waiting for the next spark to fly. Calm hasn't returned just yet, not by a long shot.
Oh, I'm still waiting for the hearing for the jurisdiction hearing. I put in
For what?
the jurisdiction hearing. Put in a motion for dismissal for lack of jurisdiction.
When did you put that motion in?
It's been, I'm not sure when it was.
Did you
filed.
file a written motion?
Yes. I didn't get a receipt or anything. It said they filed it, and or at some time.
Have the people received a copy of a motion regarding jurisdiction?
No, in May, the last time a different prosecutor and Your Honor and everybody else was here, there was conversation on the record about the defendant having filed a motion We're still waiting for the defendant.
Competency, I don't have a competency report.
There's a quote we'd like to quote, Your Honor, in our files. And the quote is about how we will not be addressing this until the competency report is back.
Thank you.
And that it would have to go through his counsel.
And the other thing, okay, so that you, counsel, I will give you an opportunity to look at it because I don't know what to make of it. He sent something to the court. Like an attempted to draw a check on the back of a birth certificate and then some notice of adequate assurance for performance and settlement. Whatever. So we will give counsel an opportunity to look.
Next up, another defendant steps forward, and things take a sharp turn into the bizarre. With his straight face, he boldly declares that the court has no jurisdiction over him. He insists he filed a motion challenging the authority of the court, but when pressed for details, he stumbles. No date, no copy, no clue where the motion supposedly went. The prosecutor quickly steps in to clear things up, confirming that no such motion was ever received. But just when it seems like this hearing might regain some normalcy, the man throws out an unexpected curveball. He starts rambling about a mysterious check printed on the back of a birth certificate. The courtroom shifts into surreal mode. While a few people exchange confused glances, the judge stays completely unfazed. It's clear he's been down this rabbit hole before. With a calm and steady tone, he continues on because for him, this kind of strange isn't even surprising anymore.
I will adjourn this matter out for competency. I was giving what date? October.
October
20th.
They said that the competency hearing was on the 25th. I wasn't given any other information after
Say
that.
it again.
And I tried to ask him at the last hearing, and he said it would be coming in the mail.
And October 24th, 2024, 9 a.m. If we get a report prior to then I'll move the date up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Counsel, we will let you look at that. Maybe we can, what we'll do is we'll just make copies of it.
Thank you.
Send it to you.
So what has happened is.
Thank you. Sir, in the lines, what's your name?
Austin Douglas Smith.
Are you on the...
After the strange and confusing filing surface, the judge takes swift action, ordering a full competency hearing to determine if the defendant is mentally fit to stand trial. It's no longer just about the case itself. Now the court has to assess the defendant's grasp on legal reality. That decision sets a serious tone. Behind the scenes, the courtroom staff scramble to piece things together. They're flipping through piles of odd paperwork, everything from altered birth certificates to vague notices filled with puzzling language. No one seems to understand where it's all coming from or what it's supposed to prove. Still, the legal system marches forward, even if it feels like it's stepping into a fog. One thing's for sure, this case has officially veered far off the beaten path. Nothing about it is routine anymore.
Attorney right there, she said I was at 9 and now I'm at 11.
Okay, you're at 11?
Yeah, I was trying.
All right, I'm getting messages that you're causing problems in our hallway out there.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even know. What was I doing wrong?
Pardon?
Sorry, I didn't know what I was doing wrong. Sorry, Your Honor. I thought it was a court case that I was trying to. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. I was listening to music.
Okay, I don't want any trouble. Anybody tells you to do something, you better follow their instructions. Otherwise, we're going to have a real difficult time at 11.
Sir, 11, so you want me to come back in or stay in here?
Wherever you're going to behave, you can stay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Court is standing recess.
All right.
That you operated an unregistered vehicle. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's a misdemeanor, also punishable by up to 90 days, $100 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir?
A young man finds himself in the spotlight, not for his case, but for stirring up trouble right outside the courtroom. He wasn't yelling or fighting, just casually listening to music in the hallway. Still, that alone is enough for the judge to slam the brakes on everything happening inside. Without hesitation, the judge delivers a stern and crystal clear warning. This courtroom demands respect, and there are no exceptions, not even for hallway distractions. One misstep is all it takes to face real consequences. The message rings loud through the room. This isn't a casual space, and the judge has zero tolerance for disorder. It's a sharp reminder that every corner of the courthouse, even outside its doors, is governed by serious expectations.
First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
Okay, so what are you going to do in this case?
I was looking to dismiss both of them.
Yeah, I'm sure you were. How do you think that's going to happen?
I'm not sure.
Who might know how that might happen?
My mom.
So, how old are you, young lady?
21.
You in school?
Yes.
Where? I teach there, so I know they're a lot smarter than me right now. So, my question, you want the case dismissed,
Yes.
right?
Sir.
So, who might assist you if that is a possible option in getting it dismissed?
You?
I'm not here to assist anybody.
Oh, attorney?
Oh, wow. I know. Now, so I now will ask you the question again. Do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there we go. See, that's washed enough. All right. This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Ms. Gray, Your Honor, we would waive any further reading of the complaint, stand mute as ask for pre-trial date and a PR bond, Your Honor.
Dependent having waived from a reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. First thing I'll do is pre-trial will be set. What day?
August 7th.
To August 7th, 2024. 9 a.m. That's the bond in this case.
A 21-year-old steps up, confident she can talk her way out of the charges without a lawyer. But the moment she starts explaining, her argument quickly unravels. The judge listens patiently, then cleverly turns her reasoning upside down, exposing the gaps in her logic with ease. It doesn't take long before she admits defeat and agrees to get legal help. That's when the tone takes a surprising turn. We find out she's a basketball player, tough on the court, known for breaking bones, and playing with intensity. The judge raises an eyebrow, clearly impressed, and the two share a playful back and forth that draws a rare laugh from the bench. It's a brief, lighthearted moment in an otherwise serious setting, but the message lands clearly. Courtroom confidence means nothing without preparation. And going solo without a game plan? That's a losing strategy.
I'll get this out. I'll set her bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be no use of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And young lady, what are you studying to be?
Major in sports management, minor in physical therapist.
Ah, really? That's what you really want to be when you grow up?
Yes.
Really?
I love sports.
So why you want to do all that? You can just sports till you need to.
Cause I break too many bones. So why not be a physical
What kind of sport are you playing?
Basketball.
And breaking bones?
Yes, I broke my hip, my pinky. I get physical. You gotta get physical on the court.
I get it. So you broke all that?
Yeah.
What position?
A point guard, shooting guard.
Yeah. How are you a guard breaking up? Never mind.
When you
No,
drive,
I don't even want.
When you drive, there's like 6-foot girls. I gotta get to the basket.
Okay, I mean I get that. From a pinky?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. Just mark the file. Our little guard. That's what we'll. All right. We'll see you on August 7th. Who's that with you?
My mom.
Did she really break all that? Wow, causing the family problems because you're breaking bones.
Yeah.
Were the points worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah, darn right they were. All right. Okay, take care.
Thank you.
This next moment hits hard, easily the most emotional scene in the courtroom so far. A woman bravely battling cancer stands before the judge, her voice trembling as she shares how a simple parking mistake led her here. What started as a small misstep quickly snowballed into legal trouble she never expected. She explains how her foot slipped that day, how her mind was clouded with stress, and how she's barely scraping by on just $1, $700 a month. Her honesty and vulnerability grip the entire room. The judge doesn't interrupt, not once. He listens with full attention, the weight of her words sinking in. Then comes a rare act of grace. The judge completely wipes the fine clean, no questions asked. In a space often ruled by rules and procedure, this moment stands out as something deeper, a raw display of empathy and humanity from the bench.
Do you admit responsibility to the fact that on or about June 16, 2024, Clark Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes.
All right. Court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can you pay that?
I'm on a fixed income right now, so I won't have any money until August the 3rd, and I'll try to pay it before then.
All right.
Your Honor, I am so sorry. I admit my foot just slipped off the paddle. I was already, stopped at the light in front of the car, and I looked down because my boyfriend was in the hospital, and I'm trying to sneak up there in his vehicle, unknowing where I'm at. I've never been to Ypsilanti in my life, and I was just trying to get up there to surprise him for Father's Day. However, my foot slipped. I'm not used to driving his vehicle, but I did that day because he left it in my presence. So I do admit that I did barely even bang this man's car. I was crying. I was upset. I was really upset.
And Ms. Runner?
Yes.
Okay. I believe you on all of that. Ma'am,
Thank
you receive SSI?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much is that a month, ma'am?
$117 a month. $1,700 a month. But I also have my life's gas, my phone bill, my groceries, all of that to buy everything, and I'm just battling cancer, pancreatic cancer. I made it through by the grace of God. Have mercy, Lord. Thank you. But, Your Honor, I'm truly sorry.
All right. Ms.
I've never
Runner?
been in a car accident before in my life.
Okay. Ms. Runner?
Yes.
Here's what I'm going to do. Fines and costs of $180. I'm going to waive that entire balance, ma'am.
Thank
you.
you.
And take it. All right. You take care of yourself, Ms. Runner.
Thank you so much. God bless everybody in the courtroom today. Have mercy, because I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to slip off the brake.
I know, Ms. Runner, I've been doing this a while, and I can just hear, even though I can't see you, I can hear it in your voice.
I'm sorry.
It shouldn't have gone this way.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes.
All right. You take care of yourself.
Yes. Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Your Honor. God bless you. Thank you. And it'll never happen again. Thank you.
I'm sure it won't.
The woman doesn't stop after the fine is dismissed. She continues to pour her heart out. Between deep breaths and quiet sobs, she apologizes again and again, not just for the ticket, but for taking up the court's time. Her gratitude spills over as she thanks the judge, the courtroom staff, and even lifts her eyes to thank God. But beneath the thank yous is a woman worn down by life. You can feel the weight she's carrying. This isn't just about a parking ticket. It's about everything she's had to endure. Still, she stands there with grace, even in the middle of her heartbreak. The judge responds gently, telling her that she didn't waste anyone's time, that she actually brought light into the courtroom. It's a moment that softens the room, pulling everyone into the emotion she laid bare. You can hear it in their voices, see it in their eyes. This case wasn't just heard, it was felt. And no one present will forget it.
I'm terribly sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Even for wasting your time. I'm sorry.
You didn't waste our time. You brought joy to our day. Okay?
Oh, God.
So
Thank you.
you take care.
Thank you so much, and you all too. God bless you. Thank you, Your Honor. Oh, God. Thank you.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm Alex Parks, on behalf of Mr. Dink.
We got that this time. Okay, go ahead.
Your Honor, we were finally able to reach Mr. Dinkins last night, only to find out that he's been in the hospital since Tuesday because of the defibrillator in his chest went off and shocked him. He's having a procedure today. We are able to get the court documentation of his hospital stay, and in this matter, we are requesting an adjournment.
Hold it. We have the documentation?
We are able to get you the court documentation very quickly. We found out last night from him. It took us a long time to get in contact with him.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to tell me.
So we're requesting a short adjournment. There has been a plea offer in this case that our client is ready to accept. And if we could come back in 2 weeks, we would do that then.
Okay, but you don't have the documentation.
We do not have the
You're
documentation.
going to get it to me.
Yes.
So what you meant to say is you're going to get it to me. You can get it to us quickly.
Yes, we can get the
Okay,
documentation.
that's
But-
Thank you. Probable cause conference will be adjourned August 1st, 2024. 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And young lady, do me a favor.
Yes.
All right. When you come up, you're doing just fine. Just take a deep breath. All right. And just say what you have to say. All right.
Yes. Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh boy. Here we go.
Good morning, Your Honor. Maisie Berger requesting permission to practice pursuant to Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Mr. Jay Bellinger, representing my client, Ronald Fleming.
Wow. Impressive.
I memorized it for you.
I know. Hey, that's what happens.
I threw away the card.
There you go. You don't need them. Permission to practice is granted.
We close this roller coaster of a courtroom session on a bright and uplifting note. A young law student steps forward with a request to be allowed to practice law under supervision. From the moment she speaks, it's clear she came prepared. Her delivery is sharp, polished, and every word lands with purpose. The judge listens carefully, clearly impressed by her poise and professionalism. Without hesitation, he grants her the request. It's a proud moment, not just for her, but for everyone watching, proof that even in a courtroom full of tension and heartbreak, there's room for growth and new beginnings. This final scene serves as a reminder. Courtrooms aren't just about punishment and rules. They're about people, real lives, second chances, and hopeful futures. If you've enjoyed this emotional and unpredictable ride through the world of justice, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for the next one. There's always more ahead.